In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Salesforce. This integration can significantly enhance your workflow by allowing you to seamlessly share information between these two powerful platforms. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open up Slack. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to accessing various features and tools within Slack. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Tools. This is a crucial step because it leads you to the section where you can manage apps and integrations, which is exactly what we need to do next. Once you've selected Tools, you'll see another option labeled Apps. Click on Apps to proceed. This will take you to the Slack app directory where you can find a wide array of applications that can be integrated with Slack. Now, focus your attention on the search bar at the top of the Apps page. In this search bar, type in Salesforce. It's important to enter it correctly to ensure you find the right application. Once you've typed in Salesforce, you'll see a list of related apps. Among these, look for Salesforce Automation's Legacy. This is the specific app we want to integrate with Slack. After locating Salesforce Automation's Legacy, click on it. This will bring you to the app's detailed page, where you can learn more about its features and capabilities. However, our primary goal here is to add this app to Slack, so let's move forward. You'll see an Add to Slack button prominently displayed on the app's page. Click on this button to start the integration process. By doing this, you're essentially telling Slack that you want to connect with Salesforce and begin using the automation features that come with it. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Salesforce. This integration allows you to streamline communication and automate tasks between Slack and Salesforce, making your workflow more efficient and collaborative. Remember, integrating these tools can offer tremendous benefits, such as reducing the need to switch between platforms and keeping your team in sync with real-time updates. If you encounter any issues during the integration process, both Slack and Salesforce offer support resources and communities that can provide further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your integration.